Did you realize that only one click can actually make you money? Yes, it is. The most common method of making money is through pay-per-click. In contrast to others, you can earn an unlimited sum of money just by using your phone or computer. Hello everyone, you are watching the YouTube channel Successful Finance. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a method that could help you boost the amount of money you make on the internet. You have it exactly right. The amount of money you will make will be in the lakhs, and then we'll discuss what steps you need to take next. Let's get started. Encourage yourself. Imagine having the ability to achieve financial independence with only the most fundamental internet money-making techniques. You could take care of your needs, goals, and desires if you had that financial independence. You can support your family if you can pay your bills and other costs on your own. It's always nice to have a little extra cash to spend. Making more money with little to no effort is even better. There are countless other ways to boost your income or create passive income online. However, with the quantity of get-rich-fast schemes and other dubious services, it could be challenging to identify which ones are genuine. This does not, however, indicate that there aren't good, reliable sources to use in order to start earning a bit more money. Where to start? There are undoubtedly a lot of con artists out there. A lot of people who desire to generate money online frequently fall into traps because they don't do their research first. For instance, a lot of phony websites need customers to view advertisements or complete surveys before paying you. It's preferable to begin by comprehending how these programmers can actually assist you in making money. Using pay-per-click websites is the best choice for many people. Now that you know the website from which you must earn, entireweb.com, I will tell you about it. However, it's important for you to understand the nature of the website before we go. EntireWeb is a website that offers consumers a variety of services, including keyword research. There is a website like this where you can obtain a lot of services, and the majority of these services are website related like SEO and everything else, so it's all about the website. So get going and start working for the money you need. Anyone can sign up for this affiliate program at no cost, and for each click you provide to our free search engine submission service, you will receive payment. How it functions. A visitor clicks on an affiliate link or banner on your website, in an email, or on both. For the initial click, as well as any further clicks that result in visitors completing the procedure, they will pay you. The program is powered by Post Affiliate Pro, the best affiliate tracking tool. All sales and referrals are accurately tracked by Post Affiliate Pro. Everything about the process is automatic. All of your clicks and site visitors will be precisely logged. Nothing more than a need to become wealthy. Websites are not necessary, although having your own website helps. Through pay-per-click ads, tweets, posts in online forums, and search engines, you can promote our free search engine submission service. Just use your affiliate link to send people to our site, and they will pay you for each click. The simplicity of it is this. To increase the number of people who visit their website and to boost their revenue, they want more people to click on it. You should select affiliate after clicking the menu button on their website. On this page, where you can earn up to $0.5 for each click or $10 for 25 clicks, you will be forwarded. Is that not simple? When and how will I be paid? We pay our affiliates using PayPal. Each month's earnings are paid in full at the end of the period. All payments are made in US dollars. We do not accept any other payment methods. The $50 payout minimum applies. You must provide your PayPal email address in your affiliate account's payout options area. We won't be able to pay you if not. On this website, you can search for anything you like. You can enter any term or topic to do research on it or learn more about it. This platform will provide you with the most up-to-date and accurate information. For instance, if I type money making, I'll be directed to this page which will show me all of the search results for that term or subject. By using this strategy, we transform into website boosters or affiliates in their terminology who will aid them in winning over website visitors' trust and allow you to make a ton of money as quickly as cake. Before we continue, I'll give you a chance to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've so far appreciated the video. Also, if you liked this video and learned something from it, please leave a comment. What is forbidden? Through the free search engine submission service and the entire web affiliate network, you cannot promote yourself. Use of the affiliate program's banners and links in spam emails or other forms of spam is not allowed, block comment spam, forum spam, etc. In that case, your affiliate account will be closed and you won't get any unpaid commissions back. Let's examine how that aspect can function here, friends, now that you have seen how entire web functions. Let's begin by registering. A sign-up form is shown in front of you as soon as you click the aforementioned button. Only your name and email address must be provided as personal information before scrolling down and coming down. Just scroll down and click on register after entering your PayPal Gmail. Then, a message will be sent to your inbox that must be confirmed before you can set your password. Once the enrollment process is complete, your dashboard will show up in front of you. It will show all of your earnings as well as details about how much you have made over time and from what sources. However, before continuing, you must first get your unique bond. You'll make a lot of money if someone clicks on your link and visits entire web. Now all you need is a quick script to promote your unique URL. In Google Docs, make a blank page and write anything you want to convince people to click your link there. A different approach is to use Google to look for a pre-written script, but you could just write your own if you had the time. You'll soon see a handsome return on the brief time and work you invested into crafting a script. After finalizing your script in Google Docs, click the icon below to download it in PDF format. We'll then proceed to slideshare.net to upload our completed short script and attach a link to our website. This platform is incredible. With millions of daily views from all users over the world, it is incredible. You can freely promote any link to thousands of people every day using our traffic generator. Can I use it on my phone? Mobile devices can browse the entire web, but from my perspective, the income opportunity it provides isn't particularly suited for them. You can only use a mobile device to share an affiliate link on social media, which is the only thing that comes to mind. How can my affiliate link be promoted? You can promote your affiliate link on a free search engine submission service by using a search engine, leaving comments in online forums, sharing links on Facebook, and other techniques. If you want to see more people click on your Facebook link, you just need to join as many groups as you'd like, publish your affiliate link to each group, and then conduct a Facebook search for how to make money online. Your link receives a lot of clicks with this method. It's also easy to earn $40 every day. The referral fee. When you connect to your account, a referral link will appear at the top of your screen. For each click, you will receive a commission. The only thing left to do is unwind and watch the money and clicks start to come in. Everyone involved ultimately gains from this arrangement. More individuals use the entire internet and they can do any kind of search they like. That's it for now. I sincerely hope you learned something useful from watching this video. Please share your thoughts on this platform in the comments box below. Also, it would be great if you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you could see the most recent videos that have been posted. Goodbye!